Assalamu alaikum. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, please do subscribe and share. If you are part of my YouTube family, and thanks again. Soo dhawaada walaalayaal, casharka sabtida maanta baan dhigaynaa insha Allah. So let's get into this video. Casharka sabtidi baan bilaabaynaa maanta. Learn Somali and English with Miss Fatma. Bon appetit or have a nice meal. Cunto wanaagsan. Cunto wanaagsan. Do you understand? Do you understand? Ma fahantay? Ma fahantay? Bon voyage or have a good journey. Safar wanaagsan. Safar wanaagsan. I understand. I understand. Waan fahmay. Waan fahmay. I don't understand. I don't understand. Ma fahmin. Ma fahmin. I don't know. Ma aqaan. Ma aqaan. Now you try it. Now we get into the next part of the lesson. Please speak more slowly. Tartiib u hadal. Please say that again. Fadlan ku celi. Please write it down. Fadlan qor. Do you speak English? Ingriis ma ku hadashaa? Yes, a little. Haa, wax yar. How do you say something in Somali? Maxaa af Somali lagu dhahaa? I'm going to repeat again. Please speak more slowly. Tartiib u hadal. You can say it with me. Please say that again. Fadlan ku celi. Fadlan ku celi. Please write it down. Please write it down. Fadlan qor. Fadlan qor. Do you speak English? Ingriis ma ku hadashaa? Yes, a little. Haa, wax yar. Haa, wax yar. How do you say dash in Somali? Maxaa af Somali lagu dhahaa? Maxaa af Somali lagu dhahaa? You can pause and repeat as much as you want. We have come to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for being a part of this lovely journey. As promised, I will be uploading the next video this coming Tuesday. Asxaabta, waan igu mahadcelinayaa inaa casharka maanta ka faa'iidaysateen. Casharka dambe waxaan soo gelin doonaa maalinkii Talaadada usbuucan dambe soo socda insha Allah. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like, comment, and share. Ma'asalaama and have a great weekend.